onion pakoda.
Four to 5 sliced onion. Some chopped curry leaves and 2 to 3 green chilies. 2 cups of besan. 1 cup of rice flour. Salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of Asian carom seeds. Half teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Add carom seeds. Add salt. Add turmeric powder. Add coriander powder. Add chaat masala. Add baking soda. Add red chili powder. Mix all ingredients well. Add besan. Add chopped chilies and curry leaves. Combine them well. Gradually add little water and make batter. Batter for pakora is ready. Heat oil and fry pakoras. Take some batter and dip in oil. Fry pakoras on medium to high flame. Once they start turning into golden, flip on other side and fry. Pakoras are nice and golden brown. Remove them from oil. Crispy pakoras are done. Tasty and crispy onion pakoras are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.